What's up, guys? Welcome back. Bless you all for tuning in. This is the third week of me trying to move $200 to $2,000 by trading the financial market. Week just starts. I don't collect.
Ouchie!
I took my first trade of the week today. Today is Monday, and it hit my stop. Yes, I took a trade on BTCUSD. And why the trade was even going, why the trade was even running, I lost confidence in the trade because I started seeing some errors that I didn't see when analyzing, and I just knew that trade, there's a lesser chance that trade will go my way, but I didn't close because I was in the trade, so I had to let the trade run. We can see that I am in a losing streak right now. It's really a wrong time for me to get into a losing streak. Like the time I decided that I want to go into this challenge, that's when I'm entering a losing streak. Since on Thursday, after FOMC, since on Thursday, I have been losing trades, all my trades back to back, but I'm still in profit on the account. This is the account balance. I just hope that losing streak ends today. That from tomorrow, I will start taking wins. During the weekend, I decided to, back test and all. And after back testing, I decided to analyze the current market, and I got a setup on BTCUSD. I got this setup on Saturday, but I didn't take the trade because, I wanted to, know what is going on. I didn't just want to up into any trade. I wanted to know the problem because I'm following my strategy, but I think my problem is just the trend of the market. Maybe I'm just missing the directional bias. And guess what? That trade ended up smashing my take profit with a 1 to 15 hours, like 1 to 15 weeks to reward. Like if I had taken that trade, it would have boosted this account. I would have recovered. In fact, this account would have gone way high, but I still don't regret not taking the trade because if I had taken the trade and the trade had gone against me, I would have been regretting. So I was happy that I stuck to my plan, which was not trading during the weekend. So who would have been beating themselves up like, I didn't I know I would have taken that trade on BTC. By now, I would have been up. No. Opportunities, no, they finish for market. You missed a setup today, you can still get a better setup tomorrow. Stick to your plan. This week, we have a lot of fundamental this week. So I just have to move carefully. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated. So catch you later. Okay, what's up, guys? It's a brand new day. Okay, so today is Tuesday, the second trading day of the week, and I placed a trade on GPUSD. I'm just waiting for it to trigger. I've set this limit order since yesterday after I took my first loss on GPUSD. Remember, I told you that I planned on selling GPUSD yesterday, but I lost the trade. So I'm trying to sell GPUSD again today. So I set my limit order since yesterday. I knew it wasn't going to trigger yesterday, so I knew it was going to trigger today. So hopefully it's going to trigger. I'm going to take my second trade for the week, and it's going to be in profit. Hopefully it's going to be in profit. Also, one more thing, Fed Chairman Powell is going to be speaking later today. And honestly, I don't want to be in a trade when that man speaks, honestly. So I'm just hoping GPUSD triggers now so that it's going to take this London session and hopefully early hours of New York session for me to be in and out of this trade so that what happened last week with FOMC won't repeat itself again. I just hope so. So I'll keep you guys updated on how it goes. So catch you guys later. Okay, what's up, guys? It's a brand new day. It's Wednesday, yeah? Yesterday I took a trade on GPUSD and that trade is still running till now. I set the limit order for that trade since on Monday and it triggered yesterday and it's been running till now. Very, very slow, but I'm still holding it. And later on yesterday, I set a limit order on gold and the market came in the night time, I think around 8 p.m. or thereabout, and the gold trade got triggered and it was running in good profit. It was running well. So both the GPUSD trade and the gold trade were running in profit. But the gold trade hadn't really gone halfway before I went to bed last night. So I didn't break even. Only for me to wake up this morning and I'm seeing this. Let me show you guys. Before I went to bed last night, the market was somewhere around here. Here's where it went halfway. It went halfway. I think if I was awake here when it went this halfway, I would have broken even already. But I wasn't. I was asleep. So the market came back down, stopped me out, and continued going up. If I had placed my stop loss under this week, it wouldn't have stopped me out. But I do place my stop loss directly under my order block. That's how I set my trades. So the market had already gone my way and it came back down, stopped me out, and continued moving. And later on, I discovered another setup. Yeah, this breaker block. So the market was somewhere around here. So, but before I could set my limit order, make my calculate my lot size position on gold and place my limit order, the market had already triggered and was already moving in profits. And this first trade was a 1:10, and this second one is a 1:7. So you must just imagine how unlucky I am. Very unlucky. Very, very unlucky. So I don't just weak me. I'm not gonna lie, weak me, but what can I do? While I'm still in on this trade on GPSD, it's very, very slow. This trade is a 1:9, almost 1:10. I'm here to move my stop loss to break even. So, but once it breaks below this week, I'll move my stop loss to break even. So let's see if GPSD will help me recover. I've been on a losing streak, like a very stupid losing streak since last week. A losing streak. I've been losing all my trades back to back, but we stick to the plan, we stick to the strategy. We are not changing anything. I'll keep you guys updated. Catch you guys later. Okay, what's up guys? It's almost 5 p.m. my time right now, and the GBP/USD trade I took finally played out. Let me show you guys. This is where my TP is supposed to be, but I'm already out of this trade. Why? Because number one, I already got more than 1:6, and also I saw that the market was reacting off another block on the higher time frame, so I didn't want to take that chance. And then I'm in on the trade of BTCUSD right now, and this trade, I went into this trade since morning and it's been going well so far. So I saw another opportunity to add an extra position, so I set another limit order right here. So I'm just waiting for the market to come and tap me in, and my TP is on this. I'm targeting this other block, this breaker block. There's a breaker block here. Let me put it to 30 minutes time frame. There's a breaker block, so I'm targeting this breaker block because I'm feeling that this breaker block might be where the market might react. Market might want to reverse from this breaker block. So that is it. I just hope, but if this market drop, I just hope it respect this zone that I placed here, this limit order, and continue pushing up. Because if that happens, it's going to be a banger if that happens. Well, fingers crossed. What's up guys? It's Thursday morning already. I don't chop stop loss. Oh god, it's not even 10 a.m. yet. I already had my first loss for today, and it was on gold. I tried shortening gold and it went against me. The trade didn't even last up to 30 minutes. Like, I just hope that what happened last week Wednesday is not repeating itself again. Because guess what guys? Yesterday being Wednesday, I hit the $1,000 mark again, rolling in equity. Hey, I was rolling in equity of about $1,060 something or $1,080 something. Around $1,000 though. And guess what? I made another error yesterday again. Why? Now, what happened was that I placed my TP wrongly. Like, I woke up early this morning, I think around 4 a.m. and I checked the trade and I saw that all the profit I was making, I have lost everything, and the market came and stopped me out at break even. Just imagine, after getting up to 1:7, I was up 1:7. I was rolling more than $1,000 in equity, but just because of I simply placed my TP wrongly, I lost all those profits. You see, in this game, this Forex game, the market does not pity any mistake. No matter the mistake, you can catch a very good setup and still leave that trade with a loss or with nothing. Many people feel like it's all about technical analysis. It's more than technical analysis, but there's a lot in this game. Technical analysis is one of them. When you've done your technicals and you've entered a trade, managing that trade well too is also another thing. It's also another factor for you to become profitable. You can make your analysis, draw clean lines on your chart. Market will come to your zone, react well, and start moving your way. If you don't manage that trade well, it becomes a problem. Stop loss placement too becomes a problem. Yesterday, I caught a good trade on gold, but because my stop loss was not placed properly, gold used me as liquidity, took me out, and started going my way. Yesterday again, I placed my trade well, but my TP was placed wrongly. I left a very good trade with nothing. I'll keep you guys updated if I take another trade. Catch you guys later. So what's up, guys? It's Friday. Another trading week has ended. And honestly, guys, I am so disappointed at myself. With this challenge, I am learning a lot that I didn't even experience while I was trading top account. This challenge is harder than I thought. Yes, like I never expected it to be this difficult. I have to manage my trades, and at the same time, while managing my trade, I have to manage my emotions. Any mistake you make, it has a domino effect. Like it has this compounding effect. If you make a certain mistake in this trade, or when I mean a certain mistake, I'm not talking of a strategy wise now. I mean discipline, like maybe you overtrade or you over leverage. I don't know how it happens, but it will reflect on your next couple of trades, or it may end up ruining. But I've noticed that anytime I become indisciplined at the tiniest moment, it normally affects the next couple of trades I take. From on Monday to Wednesday, I was doing fine. Even though I was taking some losses and all, I was doing great. I was okay. My psychology was in check. Everything was in check. Until on Wednesday, when I made a floating profit of $1,000, and I made that mistake of putting my take profit at the wrong zone, and the market gave me profit and take the profits back just because my take profit was too far. After that happened, I became emotionally attached, whereby I was like, the next trade I was going to take must be a win, so that the $1,000 floating profit I made, I'm going to get it back. I had this thing in my mind that what happened last week will not happen again. That how is it that I will see $1,000 equity and it will go back to the market because I did not close, and why will that happen again this week? So I had money that I'm going to just get that money from the market. Like my next trade, I must win it by all means. And before you know it, I start forcing trades. I started hitting losses back to back. And normally I was supposed to take at least, according to the trading plan, I was supposed to take at least maximum of 2 trades a day. And later in the evening, I saw a trade. I was not supposed to take that trade, but I set a limit order and the trade triggered in the night. This morning, that trade was on GBJPY. This morning, the trade was running a profit. But before I slept, I moved my stop loss to break even before going to bed. And the market reversed during the night and stopped me out and break even this morning. But it did not hit my stop loss. It just touched my break even and rejected and did as if it was going in profit. So I re-entered the trade again with market execution, because I was like, since when this market came to my entry and reacted off that breaker block, that means it wants to go my way. So I entered the trade again, and the market was going in profit. And the market was going in profit. I added one more position, which I was not supposed to do. Why did I add that position now? Because I added that position that, okay, today is Friday. This is the last trading day of the week. I must end this week with $1,000 in profit. And I lost ×2 of what I was supposed to lose. I ended this week in loss just because of I was forcing the market to give me a particular amount of money. You don't expect anything from any trade. That was where my downfall for this week started. I was supposed to take every trade and be neutral and have this mindset that this trade can be a loss and this trade can be a win. I'm very transparent, because while I'm not documenting this journey just for the sake of my subscriber, I'm documenting this journey for me so that I can be able to see in years to come or in months to come the mistake I made in the past, how much I have grown, and also to inspire anyone out there who cares to be inspired. This is the P&L for the week. I'm still in profit on the account. So please, if you're watching this video to this moment, please, I need you to like this video, leave a comment, leave your word of encouragement, criticize me all you want, give me a couple of advice or what your thoughts are. Leave them in the comment section and let me know how your trading week went in the comments also. And do not forget to turn on the notification icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And please, if you're a new person watching this video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. So make sure to enjoy your weekend and bye.